Hi dear students, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, so as I did with our previous task, I decided to make this tutorial to explain a little bit better what this unit is about. We are currently working on Unit 2, Task 2, the mind map and explanatory video. And the purpose of this unit is to answer the question how to improve writing skills through the use of ICTs. Okay, so the first thing that I want to mention is the fact that this is an individual activity. There is no collaborative work on this particular task, so there is no need for you to participate in the collaborative forum. If you want to, you're more than welcome to do so, but for this activity is not mandatory. Okay, I left the instructions to accomplish this task on the collaborative forum, and I divided this assignment into 4 steps. The first step is read the references. So you're going to have to do 4 readings. You have to read Heidi Robles with Mobile Learning to Improve Writing. We also have Janie Jones and Margaret Rice with Exploring Classroom Microblogs to Improve Writing of Middle School Students. We got Konju Lee and Ji On Kim with a mobile-based learning tool to improve writing skills of TTEFL learners. And we got Lindsay Sabatino with improving writing literacies through digital gaming literacies. So her study is basically using Facebook gaming in composition classroom. You can find these readings on your knowledge environment. I'm going to show you. For here, you're going to have the 4 readings. And you also have an additional one, which is Levi. You are more than welcome to read this one too. And of course, to watch the virtual information object that you also have available. However, as the compulsory bibliography are only those 4 readings, you can also find them attached to the message I left on our collaborative forum. I also sent a message through the mail on the platform that includes these 4 readings on the PDF files. After you have done these 4 readings, you're going to create a mind map. So you're going to create this mind map summarizing the main points of these readings. You can use different programs. You can use, I suggested you on the forum 3, which are the ones that I know most. The first one is Go Conquered, the second one is Mind Mastered, and the third one is Lucid Chart. You can use any of these 3 tools if you want to. If you don't feel comfortable using any of those, you can use any other tool that you think it's appropriate to accomplish this task. Okay? If, for instance, you're not interested in exploring these online tools, you can perhaps use and create your mind map through PowerPoint. Okay, so the purpose of this is that you can choose whatever tool you consider is best to create your mind map. On our collaborative forum, I left 3 tutorials, one for each of these tools that I'm recommending. You can watch them and you can perhaps, according to them, choose the one you prefer the most. After you have done your mind map, you're going to make a video. And on this video, what you're going to do is you're going to explain your mind map. You can either choose to explain why did you choose those ideas, or you can just do like a presentation where you present the ideas that are on your mind map. It is important that your video has a length of minimum 2 minutes and maximum 3 minutes. This mainly because research has shown that people get kind of bored after the 3 first minutes when the content of the videos is thematic. Okay, so just try to keep the length of your video between 2 and 3 minutes. You can use different tools. You can use Powtoon, you can use Animaker, you can use GoAnimate, you can use Render Forest. I would highly recommend using either Powtoon or Render Forest because I think those are the ones that have a bigger repertoire of templates that you can use to create your video. If you decided to create your mind map using PowerPoint, you can use this tool here, Screencast-O-Matic, to record your presentation. So this tool, you can use this tool for free, and basically what it does is that it's going to select part of your screen and it's going to record it. You can choose if you want to show only the screen, if you want to show the webcam, or if you want to share both. In case you choose both, then something like this is what's going to happen. You're going to have the screen, but then there's going to be this little window with the webcam of your computers. Okay, once you have done your video, you're going to get either a link or you're going to have to upload your video to YouTube and you're going to get a link. So the final part of this for assignment is that you're going to submit your work. So you're going to create a PDF file. Please try to send your document as PDF file. And that document should include a cover page. If you want to use the one I sent on the previous tasks and you don't have it, then let me know and I'll send it through email. You're going to paste the link to your mind map. If you used tools like PowerPoint to create your mind map, then what you're going to do is you're going to take a screenshot of it and you're going to paste it on this document. Then you're going to send the link to your video, and at last you're going to have to put the references. Remember that at this point all the references should be cited using APA. Okay, and you have to send the document through the monitoring and evaluation environment. You gotta be careful. This task is going to be evaluated like this. So there are 4 things that are going to be assessed. The first one is the mind map, which has a weightage of 40 points. You have to make sure that it explains all the major ideas that the authors have and that you had a proper use of grammar. If you haven't used Grammarly yet, please check this website and check what it offers, because basically what it does is that it identifies the major issues on your text and it offers you like the proper way of correcting them. Okay, so check Grammarly.com not only for this course but for all the courses where you have to present papers. The other thing is the reading of the contents. The only way that I have to know that you read the contents of this is with the ideas that you put on your mind map. Okay, so try to at least include 2 ideas of each author. Perhaps you might think that 2 ideas is too much, but trust me, it is not. I know these readings from the top to the bottom, and there are more than 2 major ideas that you can select. Okay, then we have the video where you explain the mind map. Make sure that the link to the video is working and that it's public. If you're using, for instance, Powtoon, usually when you don't put the option of the video being public, it's gonna ask for a user and a password to watch the video. Okay, and the last part are the references. Include all the references you used. If you decided to include some of the ideas of Levi, then please include his reading too on your references. One more time, remember that references must be cited using APA style. The final score for this activity is 125 points. And although our course agenda says that this task is due on March 28th, I decided to grant you an extension and you will be able to present it until March 31st, okay? This mainly because it's unusual that you have to present activities during weekdays, so you will have until Sunday 31st to send the task, okay? In case you have any questions, please let me know. Use the WhatsApp groups that I created. If you're not on the WhatsApp groups, then it is perhaps because I don't have your numbers. If you hadn't gotten any message from me on WhatsApp and you want to receive these messages and want to be part of your groupmates group, please let me know and I will add you ASAP. Okay. I wish you all the best and I will see you on our next activity. Have a wonderful day.